Hey there, this is LaQuita with quitabughandmaids.com. Thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Up! Tutorial. So today I have a really pretty card to share with you featuring the beautiful Calming Camellia stamp set. So this is a set that you can earn for free during celebration. So remember, this is the last month of celebration. February 2022, this is it for this round of celebration, but I love this one. You can earn it for free with a qualifying order in my online store. So I've got a direct link to this set and all the supplies that I'm using today, but I love the images in this set. So this is a distinctive stamp set. So these images stamp in what they call a photorealistic look. So they look real and dimensional, very, very pretty. And then you've got a ton of sentiments to choose from in this one. So let's go ahead and jump right into today's tutorial. All right, so I've got 3 pieces of basic white cardstock here that I am going to stamp on. So I'll start with this piece. So this is cut 3 inches by 3 3/4 inches. And I've got my pale papaya ink pad here, and I'm going to stamp that large image. This is on an E-block, and I'm actually going to just bring my ink pad directly to the stamp since it's so large. All right, so let's just put this in the center right about there. All right, I think I got it. Yep. And don't drop your stamp. Okay. All right, got it. So you can see how beautifully that image stamps. So pretty. I love it. Then I've got this piece of basic white. This is actually for the inside of the card. So this is cut 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. I'm going to stamp this other image that comes in the stamp set, and I'll just put that in the bottom left. Very nice. So then I've got mint macaron ink, and I'm going to stamp my sentiment on this tiny little piece. So this is cut 1 inch by 1 1/4 inches. Very small. And I'm stamping the "I love being your friend." I think I need to re-ink this. This is mint macaron, but okay. So hopefully I don't have my head in there, but I might. Okay. Please be centered and straight. All right, that looks good. All right, so let's go ahead and start putting this card together. So I've got 2 pieces of hand-penned designer series paper. This is actually the reverse side of this piece. So this piece is cut 3 7/8 inch by 5 1/8 inch. And then this piece is cut 2 inches by 3 7/8 inch. So I'm just going to add some Stampin' Seal. And I do have all of these measurements over on today's coordinating blog post, which is linked down below in the video description. Okay, now I just put that at the top of that the other piece of designer paper. Now I'm going to add this onto a piece of mint macaron cardstock. So this is cut 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. And I do have all of these measurements over on today's coordinating blog post linked down below in the video description. So you're just going to get a tiny little peek of that mint macaron cardstock. Okay, there we go. Then I'm going to bring in some of this pale papaya, what is this, open weave ribbon. So I'm just going to cut a little bit of this. There we go. And add some adhesive. And I'm just lining the bottom of the ribbon up with the bottom of that pale papaya piece of designer paper. And we'll just get that on there. Then for my card base, papel pale papaya cardstock. This is cut 4¼ inches by 11 inches, and I've scored it at 5½ inches to make a vertical folding card, my favorite type. And I am going to go ahead, get that out of the way, and add this on to my card front. Let's see. Yep, right there looks good. Okay, and let's go ahead and also put this panel on the inside of our card. Trying to get into the habit of doing this when I make the card, so I don't have to go back and do it later. Okay, then we're gonna add these 2 pieces with dimensionals. So a couple on there. And then on here. Alrighty. Got my backings off, so I'll go ahead and add my beautiful flower. We'll put that, let's see, centered right about there. And then our sentiment, I love being your friend. Such a sweet message. Put that right there. And that's it. That finishes up this card. I think it's so simple, and it's absolutely a beautiful, beautiful card, and I love the colors. So I love being your friend. Such a pretty card. And you know, I had to do a matching envelope, so I stamped that same image from the inside on the front of my envelope, and then I added some more of that hand-pinned designer series paper to my envelope flap. And there you have it. I love it. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed today's tutorial. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget, you can find all of the measurements and supplies for today's project listed and linked down below in the video description. And stay tuned, because I'll be back again very soon with another tutorial. Bye now.